Hi! In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show at the top of your screen. When you see it, drag your search bar on remove. And when you see that remove option lights up, let go. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted from home screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!